Our device support specialist, Erica, was pretty much the most helpful person involved early on. When she first came out to our house, she's the one who trained us how to get on the device, how to change the arrays, what to do in troubleshooting scenarios, and helped JB so he could do it on his own. Like, I don't always have to be there. Like, he can manage most of it without me, and a lot of it's due to Erica.
My device support specialist is Amanda, and she has been wonderful. She showed up at our house with all of the equipment, made sure that my wife was comfortable with placing the arrays and what steps we need to do on array change days.
What about your device support specialist?
Oh my gosh, my device support specialist has quickly became a very trusted and respected friend and resource. I can call or text at any time and get an answer and get encouragement.
My device support specialist is Gina, and she is wonderful. She'll come to our house almost every month. Every once in a while we'll do a mail away, so she's great. She troubleshoots everything.
Our device support specialist is Amy, and she's been there from before the time that we started with Optune and is continuing to be an important member of our family.
This is not an easy journey for anyone, and she makes it she makes my world a better place.
Our device support specialist has been invaluable. She was there from day one to help train me with using the device, how to maintain the batteries, how to sleep with the device and take showers with the device. And she continues to visit once a month, and she's been the most amazing person ever.